So, I mean, this really goes back to when we set the company up in 2004. And one of the issues that we had back then was, as a startup, we had limited resources. We couldn't look at some of the bigger players in the industry. And so therefore we sort of widened our search, and we came across Maximizer, which appealed to us for a number of reasons. Primarily back then it was cost. But also it was down to the affordability that we had to be able to roll it out across multiple locations. And as the company has grown, we have since moved our offices from London to two separate locations, one in Ludlow in Shropshire and the other one in Maidstone in Kent. Being able to sort of roll out Maximizer, back then it was on premise, and so being able to roll it out across multiple locations at a relatively quick speed and fairly low cost allowed us to make that decision to move our offices. And if we sort of roll that forward to today, some of the pain points that we've had are sort of legacy issues. I mean, we set up Maximizer in 2004, 2005, and we've been using it ever since. And so some of the biggest issues that we have experienced are, looking back at events and sort of user-defined fields that we've created over the years and ultimately moved on from. And that's something that was sort of holding us back for a number of years until we come on board with Avrion. And in 2017, we started that journey of moving from an on-premise solution to an online solution, still needing the sort of bespoke server element to it, and Avrion were able to provide all of that and allow us to bring Maximizer up to date with other systems and look at sort of personalizing that for the future of the business.